behalf of my family, my great family, I greet you all wherever you are. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Manila Vlogs is my YouTube channel, guys. Today is another day. We thank God for the gift of life. So guys, for those who have subscribed, thank you so much. God bless you. So guys, today is another good day. God has given a chance to life. So I really want to thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And for those who have who are watching this video for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, share. My great people, you can see this bridge. It's very dangerous. Like for the kids who are passing around, this bridge is very dangerous to kids, even to the big people. You can see the water. The water is not small. So guys, you can see how water flows from up there. And it flows all the way down there. You can see, guys. You can see this is the bridge. You can see how it. You can see how it. When I pass up here, this is really one thing. So guys, this is a bridge around our village. But when you look at it, it's really very dangerous. So people are coming from there, others are coming from this side, this way, and they come this way. They are going this way. So, and see the others can walk up there. Other people goes this way. So guys, that's a very big bridge. It so many people do pass through this bridge. I really request the people, the readers around to consider this bridge because it is being used by a lot of people, even kids. They do use this bridge when they go to school, like the school like Masima Primary, and other, and even Masimba Secondary High School. So as you can see, even the farmers who are passing through this bridge because they have to pass through here to go to the other side, and the others come to the other side. So guys, I'm really requesting for the readers around Masimba Ward, the MCAs, the 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 women rep, the the MB, the governors, and all leaders to consider this bridge, guys. You can see the maze there. These are the maze. You can see the navia grass for the cows. You can see bananas there. This is a brugam tree. You can see it, guys. This is a brugam tree. Those are the brugam trees, guys. There are many. So, guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Please share to other people so that they can reach so many people, so that they can reach to the authorities, and they can uh, they can see the video so that they can come and do some so that they can come and build the good bridge which is safe to all of us, for the women and men. So guys, I'm really appreciating you for watching my videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching. May God bless you until the next video, guys. Thank you so much. God bless you.